guys, how is it going? And welcome to our last video for this class. Now that you know all 4 moves, you're ready to learn the choreography. It's gonna be so much fun. Let's get started. Our small combo starts with 4 running men, 4 Polly Pocket, 4 scissors, and 2 W step. It's gonna look like this, starting with my right leg first. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. I finish 4 running men. From here, I'm gonna jump to the diagonal. I'm gonna do 4 Polly Pockets. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and from here, I'm gonna jump to the diagonal and start 4 scissors. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. From here, I'm gonna jump into my W step with my right foot first. 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, guys? So just pay attention to our connections. I want you guys to pay attention to when and where I should change the move. Okay, so you have to count in your head 1, 2, 3, 4 and change 2, 3, 4 and change 2, 3, 4. After 4, we're changing the moves. Okay? So again, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and change. 6, 7, 8 and change. 2, 3, 4 and change. 6, 7, 8. Let's practice one more time. Slowly. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So my first change is on the 5th count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on 5 I'm here. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 1 I'm starting the scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From the first scissor to the W step. I finished here and I'm gonna jump to here right away. I arrived here and I'm changing and continuing the move. Good, let's try everything with music. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Good job for finishing the first part of the course. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing the moves, and I'll see you on the second part. Bye!